Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So for many of us, recently deleted option is missing from their Instagram account. So like initially it was like when we go under the settings account, then there was a recently deleted option, but now it is missing from the Instagram account. So I will show you how to find this missing option, how to fix this problem in my mobile screen. So to get this option, open your Instagram account, click on this three line on the top right. You will see the option as your activity. Click on this one and scroll down, and here you will find the option as recently deleted, the second last option. So the option is moved from accounts to here, your activity. Here you can see, so this option is not removed, this is moved from that option to this option. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.